ഹലോ, ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ വീഡിയോ ലൈൻ ഇൻറ്റഗ്രലാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഫോർത്ത് മോഡ്യൂളിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടോപ്പിക്കാണ്. നമ്മൾ 2 പ്രോബ്ലം പഠിച്ചു. നെക്സ്റ്റ് പ്രോബ്ലം ലൈൻ ഇൻറ്റഗ്രൽ. ലുക്ക് അറ്റ് ദിസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ഷോ ദാറ്റ് ഇൻറ്റഗ്രൽ ഓവർ സി മോഡ് ഇസഡ് സ്ക്വയർ ഡി ഇസഡ് ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു -1 plus I, where C is the rectangle with vertices 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 1. So we are given a rectangle with these vertices. So first we have to draw the figure. Okay, let us draw the figure. X-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So this is a rectangle. C is a rectangle with coordinates with vertices. This 1, 0, 0. Let O be the point 0, 0. Then 1, 0. 1, 0 comes here. A 1, 0. Next the vertex is 1, 1. So 1, 1 is this point. So this is 1, 1. Let it be B. And 0, 1. 0, 1 be this point. 0, 1. Let it be C. So joining these 4 points, we get a rectangle OABC, okay, with vertices 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 1. Now we have to find out the integral. Integral over C mod Z square dz is equal to -1 plus I. We have to show this. This is equal to -1 plus I. Okay, first we have to write what is Z. And the Z, what is Z? We have Z is equal to, we all know Z equal to x plus iy. Okay, now we have to write dz. What is dz? Dz is equal to dx plus I dy. Okay, now what is mod z square? That also we have to write. Mod z square. What is mod z? Mod z is equal to root of x square plus y square, and modulus of z square is x square plus y square. Modulus of z square is x square plus y square. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇത്ര എഴുതി വയ്ക്കുക. Now we have to find out the integral along all these 4 paths. That is along OA, then along AB, then along BC, then along CO, and we have to add these 4 integral values. Okay. First of all, along OA. Okay, along OA, along the path OA. Okay, OA ile ഏത് വേരിയബിൾ ആണ് വേരി ചെയ്യുന്നത്? In OA we know that OA y is a constant. There is no change in y. Y is equal to 0 because this is the x-axis. The x-axis ആണ്. So y is equal to so equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. That all we know. So y is equal to 0. Y is a constant. Y didn't vary. Y is equal to 0. So variation is for x. X varies from 0 to 1. So along OA we have y is equal to 0 and x varies from 0 to 1. 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഈ ഒരു പാത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ എടുക്കേണ്ടത് എക്സിലാണ് നമ്മളിത് ഇൻറ്റഗ്രേഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. y is equal to 0. y equal to 0. When y is equal to 0 we have dy is also is equal to 0. Now we have to write the integral. Now integral over integral over OA. We are taking the path OA. So integral over OA modulus of z square dz is equal to integral over OA. We have to write this mod z square is x square plus y square. So x square plus y square into what is dz? Dz is dx plus I dy. Okay. Now this is equal to integral. The limits of x is 0 to 1. So integral 0 to 1 x square plus what is y here? Equation of OA is y is equal to 0. So we are putting a 0 for this y square. So simply we get x square. Only x square is there. X square into dx plus I dy. Also dy is equal to 0. So we get x square dx. And by integrating we get x cube by 3 within the limits 0 to 1, and this is equal to, applying the limits we get upper limit is 1, so this is 1 by 3, lower limit 0, so simply we get 1 by 3. So along OA the integral value is 1 by 3. Now we have to find out the integral along the path AB. Now what is the equation of AB? We have to find out the equations of all these lines, then only we can put the values there. So what is the equation of AB? ABയുടെ equation എന്താണെന്ന് അറിയണം. ABയുടെ equation അറിഞ്ഞാൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് yക്കോ xനോ വാല്യൂ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തുള്ളൂ. So we have to find out what is AB. Okay, now along AB, what is the equation of AB? And the ABയുടെ equation, AB is a line passing through the point x equal to 1, that is parallel to y axis and passing through the point x equal to 1. Here x is a constant, x equal to 1. Here x equal to 1, here also x equal to 1. So this is the line x equal to 1. So equation of AB is x equal to 1. So along AB we have x equal to 1. When x equal to 1, we get dx equal to derivative of this 1, that is 0. And the variation of y, what is the variation of y? Y varies from 0 to 1. So y varies from 0 to 1. 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 1. Now this integral becomes integral over AB modulus of z square dz is equal to integral over AB x square plus y square into dx plus I dy. Okay, here we get the value 1 by 3. Now this is equal to integral 0 to 1. The variation we are integrating with respect to y here. Okay, here x equal to 1 and dx equal to 0. The variation is for y, so we are integrating along y direction. So the limits of y are 0 to 1 and this x becomes 1. We have to put 1 here. Okay, 1 plus y square into dx plus I dy. We have dx equal to 0, so this becomes 0 and we get I dy, only I dy. Now we have to integrate this. Okay, on integrating we get integral of 1 with respect to y is y. So this is I is a constant, I am taking I outside. I into this 1 becomes y plus integral of y square is y cube by 3. Y cube by 3 within the limits 0 to 1. And what is the answer? Equal to I into applying the limits we get 1 plus 1 by 3. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. So I am putting this 1 here, 1 plus 1 by 3. What is 1 plus 1 by 3? Here LCM is 3. So we get 3 here, 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So 4 by 3 I. So this is equal to 4 by 3 I. Okay, so this integral is 4 by 3 I. Now we are going to find out the integral along the path BC. Okay, along BC. Now along BC, along BC. Now we have to find out the equation of BC. What is the equation of BC? BC is a line parallel to the x-axis and passing through the line y is equal to 1. Look at this here. Here the y coordinate is 1. Here also y coordinate is 1. So this line is passing through the point y is equal to 1. So the equation of this line is y is equal to 1. So we are writing here along BC y is equal to 1, therefore dy is equal to 0. And what is the variation of x? X varies from 1 to 0. അത് മറക്കരുത്, x varies from 1 to 0. ലിമിറ്റ് തിരിഞ്ഞു വരാൻ പാടില്ല. ലിമിറ്റ് ഈസ് ഫ്രം 1, ലോവർ ലിമിറ്റ് ഈസ് 1 ആൻഡ് അപ്പർ ലിമിറ്റ് ഈസ് 0. സോ x varies from 1 to 0. 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. And now the integral BC modulus of z square dz is equal to integral over BC x square plus y square into dx plus I dy. Okay, this is equal to integral 1 to 0, x varies from 1 to 0, x square plus y square. What is x square? X square is x square itself, it is a variable, and y square is 1, y is equal to 1. So plus 1 into dx plus I dy. Here dy is equal to 0 and we have only dx here. So on integrating we get integral of x square is x cube by 3 plus integral of 1 is x within the limits 1 to 0, and this is equal to upper limit is 0. On applying upper limit we get 0 here, and a lower limit is 1, so we are applying lower limit, so minus sign comes here, and lower limit is 1 by 3 plus 1, minus of 1 by 3 plus 1, and this is equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay, so we get the integral here minus 4 by 3. Now the last part is finding out the integral CO. Okay, അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് CO എന്താണെന്ന് കാണാം. Now along CO. Now what is the equation of CO? CO is simply the y-axis. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Okay, so equation of CO is x equal to 0, and when x equal to 0, dx is also equal to 0. And what is y? Y varies from 1 to 0. So here also 1 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 0. Limit തിരിച്ചെഴുതരുത്, 0 to 1 എന്ന് എഴുതരുത്. We have to write 1 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 0. Now integral CO mod z square dz is equal to integral over CO x square plus y square into dx plus I dy. Okay, so this is equal to integral 1 to 0 x square plus y square. We have x equal to 0 and dx equal to 0. So this x square becomes 0 and this dx becomes 0. Only we get y square into I dy. So y square into I dy. So I am taking I outside, and integral of this y square is y cube by 3 within the limits 1 to 0, and this is equal to I by 3 into 3 is taking outside, y cube here. So applying upper limit we get 0, and applying lower limit we get minus 1. So this is equal to minus I by 3. So this integral is minus I by 3. So we get all the 4 results. Now the only thing remaining is we have to add all these 4 integrals. Now look at this integral. We have to find out integral over C. C is that whole rectangle. So integral over C mod z square dz is equal to integral over OA. Integral over OA mod z square dz plus integral, next integral is integral AB plus integral BC plus integral CO. This is equal to, what is OA? OA is 1 by 3 plus AB is 4I by 3 plus BC is minus 4 by 3 plus CO is minus I by 3. So these two terms are imaginary and these two are real. So adding these two real terms we get 1 by 3 plus minus 4 by 3 is minus 3 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3 plus minus 4 by 3. So adding this 1 minus 4 divided by 3 we get minus 3 by 3. Next 1 plus 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is 3 by 3 I. So this is equal to minus 1 plus I. So we have to prove that integral over C modulus of z square dz is equal to minus 1 plus I. Okay, so we got the result. Okay, അപ്പോൾ ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഈ പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യാനുള്ള പ്രൊസീജിയർ. ഫസ്റ്റ് റൈറ്റ് ദ റെക്റ്റാങ്കിൾ, ദെൻ വി ഫൈൻഡ് ദ ഇൻറ്റഗ്രൽ അലോങ് all these paths, along OA, then AB, then BC, then CO, then നമ്മൾ സം എടുത്തു. Okay, finally we got the result. Okay, thank you.